Hi, today is May 6, 2018. This is the first weekly update on my Autopot garden. The flexi tank there has been working well. There's been no issues. Plants are getting plenty of sunlight here on the deck. Our first plant here in the back is our tomatillo, a purple tomatillo, and there's already some flowers that are coming off of it. Here is our tomato, it's Martino's Roma, and no flowers, but it's, well, actually there's a couple little flowers in there, so that one's growing well. Here is the tomato Eva purple ball, also showing some good growth. In the back here we have a what's called a yellow pepper. It's a sweet bell pepper. Here's our poblano, and growing well. Here's our serrano pepper, also looks good, and then arugula, which is showing some really good growth. So that's our weekly update on the Autopot garden, and we'll see you next time.